In this video, I'll guide you through how to contact Vrbo support. Whether you're a traveler needing assistance for your upcoming vacation rental or a property owner with questions about your listing, knowing how to reach out to support can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in and make sure you get the help you need as efficiently as possible. First, what you need to do is navigate to any page on the Vrbo website. You'll notice that no matter what part of the site you're on, there's a consistent layout that makes it easy to find what you're looking for. Now, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Here, you will see a variety of options in the footer area. Look for the link that says Help or Contact Us. This will be your gateway to reaching out for support. Clicking on this link is the first step in getting the assistance you need. Once you've clicked on Help or Contact Us, you'll find yourself on a page designed to guide you through different support options. This page is really useful because it organizes topics in a way that helps you quickly find what you're looking for. You'll see a list of topics or categories that cover a broad range of issues that people commonly need help with. This could include anything from booking details, payment issues, account management, to property listing questions. Take a moment to choose the topic that best matches your inquiry. This step is important because it directs you to the most relevant resources and ensures that your issue is handled by the right team. After selecting your topic, you'll often find a variety of subtopics or frequently asked questions that might already have the answer you're looking for. It's worth taking a quick look here because you might find a solution without needing to contact support directly. However, if you still need to talk to someone, Vrbo offers a convenient chat option that connects you with a support agent. Engaging in a chat is a quick and efficient way to get real-time assistance. When you choose to chat, you'll typically be prompted to provide some basic information about your issue. This helps the support agent understand your situation better and provide you with the most accurate help possible. You simply type in your question or describe your problem, and a support representative will respond to assist you. The chat function is designed to be user-friendly, and you'll often find that it's a great way to resolve issues swiftly without needing to make a phone call or wait for an email response. So there you have it. Contacting Vrbo support is straightforward when you know where to go and how to navigate through the options available to you. Remember, starting from the bottom of any Vrbo page by clicking Help or Contact Us, choosing your topic carefully, and using the chat function can make all the difference in getting quick and effective support. I hope this guide makes your experience with Vrbo smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your travel plans or property management.